If you're looking for the lightest, slimmest, cheapest, and best minimalist wallet on the planet, I finally found it. Just kidding, kind of. I actually used a rubber band as my wallet, and it honestly wasn't bad until it snapped. Enter my new and improved wallet from Fidelio. Or maybe I should say wallet, since I bought it in a 3-pack with multiple colors for under $13. It's more or less the same rubber band, but I'm confident this one isn't going to snap on me. Some might argue this isn't very stylish compared to a lot of other options out there, and I can see that, but honestly, that's just not my priority. My priority is keeping my essential cards and maybe a little cash neatly together without any unnecessary bulk or weight. I don't need a slab of metal on either side of my cards. Other than adding a look, they aren't really doing anything for me, and they make it harder for me to get to the card I need. I find pulling out all the cards to get to the one I need is the fastest and least frustrating way. I've also made a little modification to one of my band wallets because I like to keep my keys and wallet together pretty much all the time. I added a small loop for attaching a key ring using a zip tie. I used scissors and a sharp utility knife to trim the excess. Again, perhaps not the most stylish, but pretty practical, especially because I can use a single Apple Airtag to track the location of both my wallet and keys. The last little thing that I love is this bottle opener card. Not exactly part of the wallet, but I'd say it's related. This is a simple black one, but you can find them on Amazon in various styles. It's a bit heavy, being made of metal, but it does provide an essential function. Also, as a bonus, this helps me out at work where I have a key card to unlock doors. I would have to take the card out to use it, but with this I can separate that card from the others by placing the bottle opener in between. That isolates it enough that the door sensor can get a good read on the card. Super convenient. I've been using this wallet now for at least 6 months and I'm extremely happy with it. If minimalism is truly about having only what adds value to your life, no more and no less, I think this wallet really is the best minimalist wallet in 2021. Am I crazy to love this wallet so much? Is there another wallet I should be checking out? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and consider subscribing. Make sure to click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.